We'll need a small flathead screwdriver. First open the trunk and locate the trunk light assembly. Pry open one side firstly by applying pressure to this plastic clip. Disconnect the light housing from the harness by applying pressure here. Remove the light frame by pulling out the black plastic piece. Remove the incandescent bulb. Install the LED light bulb and test it. Replace the black plastic piece back over the light frame. Apply pressure until you hear a snap. Reconnect the light socket to the light harness. Now you can see the difference between ALA lighting LED light versus the incandescent light. ALA lighting advanced LED lights for automotive.